I got 3 bundles and a closure, and the bundles are, I bought it off of Amazon. The name is You Love Hair, and I got a 22-inch, I think 22, 24, and 26. So I got a 22 bundle, 24, and 26. And the closure is an 18-inch. It's all black, but of course I'm not gonna let it stay black, so I'm going to bleach it first and then color it. So stay tuned for that, guys. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, is to cut the lace at the front of your lace closure, and you want to be very careful with that because you don't want to cut into the hair. So take your time and do that. So the second thing I'll be doing, guys, is to stick the T-pins all over the front portion of the wig cap. You want to do this to hold the wig cap in place when you start to sew your hair down, guys. You don't want the cap to be moving all around. So right here, I'm just lining up the lace closure with the little front section on the wig cap that's been like for closure. So make sure that it's evenly distributed. Then I'm gonna take the T-pins and pin them around the lace closure, so it makes the sewing process easier for me. So right here, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start the sewing process, and I will be sewing towards like the side instead of a up and down motion, just so I don't stick into the hair in the lace closure. So guys, if you reach this far, how about consider subscribing, leave a like, leave all your comments, share this video with your friends and family. You ever make your own wig yet? A little Jamaican style. For my English speakers, it means you ever make your own wig. I'll put the poll up in the iCards. Click on it and answer the question, guys. So I made sure that my stitching was very neat and close for the lace closure, and I repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Moving on to the back portion of the lace closure, I sewed it in the same direction as the sides. I sewed it across flat instead of up and down, and I was trying my best, guys, to let you see, but my hand was blocking it. But I'm pretty sure you get an idea from the side that I just did. So starting off at the back, I am going to start sewing double wefts at the back, and as I proceed towards the front, I'll do single weft. And that simply means just like folding the hair like a sandwich like. This is after completing one full bundle, guys. Moving on to the second bundle here, guys, and one thing I was still doubling the wefts, and if I could have started from the front again, one lesson I learned. When I reached to the second bundle, I should have started doing the single weft. By the time I got to the top, guys, I had to be skimping with the hair. So lesson learned, learn from me. When you finish the first bundle, head on to Cinderwef, guys, to be on the safe side if you have 3 bundles of hair. Another reason why that happened too, guys, I was sewing the hair pretty close to each other, so that was another thing. So right here I'm doing up and down motion, while at the front I was going across. So that's the only difference, and I continued doing the up and down motion straight up until I reached the lace closure. However, I didn't get to show up at the lace closure closely like how I showed the closure and the back. It was the same process though. So this is the end result, guys, and I'm pretty pleased. So after finishing up, guys, I went ahead and flipped the wig inside out, and now I'm cutting the wig cap right where the lace closure is. Guys, you want to make sure that you take time, because you don't want to cut the thread that you just sewed. Also, you don't want to cut your hair. So take time with this process, guys. Leave a comment down below if you'd love to see more videos like this. Also, leave a comment, tell me what kind of video you'd love to see next, whether it be a DIY, makeup tutorial, hair videos, just whatever you see me bring forth to you guys on my channel. And until my next video, guys, one love.